Hey guys, it's Orletha, and I am going to share with you guys today the right way to clean a chicken. Now, in some of my other videos, there were some comments that were like, hey, you didn't wash your chicken or you didn't clean your chicken. So I want to show you today the right way to do it. So I have my chicken here, my little guy here, my little chicken. Little chicken, say hi, chicken. Hey, chicken. Hey, y'all. All right, so I am going to start by taking my little chicken. Put a little soap. You gotta put a little soap on your chicken, and you gotta scrub that chicken. Get all up under there, right up in there, right up all under there. You don't want stuff under your chicken. So I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want to make sure that my chicken is clean. All right? Get all up in the parts of your chicken, all in those parts, because you don't want no dirty chicken. No dirty chicken. Right? So I'm gonna get in there, up under there, in there good. Yes, that's a good clean chicken. Now, if you want, little chicken giving me little parts, I'm going to clean those too. So I'm going to clean this chicken. Oh, you smell lovely. The chicken smells lovely now. So I'm going to clean this chicken a little bit more. A little more. Bubble. Got to get the parts clean. All in the parts. All in the cracks and the crevices. Clean my chicken. Ooh. All right. There we go. He is spotless. Or she. Maybe it was a she. She's spotless. All her little parts are clean now. She's spotless. And so, if you'd like to watch me clean my ground beef next time, join us over there in the community. And I will make sure to show you how to clean ground beef next time. Y'all have a good day.